The door was closed. Truth was inside. On waiting. Anna was seated outside the HR room. Anna, I'm scared. Repeat after me. I'm scared. People walked past her. No one noticed her fear. HR manager smiled. HR, please sit down. Anna, thank you. Repeat after me. Thank you. HR, tell me something. Anna. HR, are you honest? Anna looked down. Anna, yes, I think so. Repeat after me. I think so. HR put the file on the table. HR, an individual sent us information. Anna's face turned pale. HR, did you ever work for Delta Company? Silence. Anna, no. After, no. HR nodded slowly. HR, then why did you say yes? Tears filled Anna's eyes. Anna, I was scared of losing the job. Repeat after me. I was afraid of losing the job. File closed by the HR department. HR, we will decide tomorrow. Anna stood up. Her legs were shaking. Episode 4 is coming, so don't forget to subscribe my channel.